We went all the way to archives for this. This is the gourmet fudge your grandma made. Perfect! Yeah, this is one of the times you want your pans ready. We always forget. And then knowing us, we'd remember at the most inopportune time. Hey, where's your ship? Oh, crud muffins! I left it back on Carnivac. Let's start with the chocolate first. Break up 3 ounces of your favorite chocolate, 1 cup of milk, and heat those 2 combined. Oops, we forgot this great tip. Butter the side of your pan. It helps to keep the sugar from crystallizing and making your fudge turn out all gritty. Add in 3 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Kosher salt doesn't have the iodine like table salt. Cook this on medium-low until the sugar dissolves. That'll be just past 100 degrees. Then simmer it until it reaches 236 to 238. Get a window with this one. But it'll take forever. It took us 45 minutes. You can't turn up the heat to make it go faster because you could burn the chocolate. We never went higher than a 2 on our knob. And a candy thermometer makes your chances of success a reality. You have to let the sugar do its magic. All right. Let's push some buttons. What are these things for? Hey. Confetti mud! I kinda love that! Ho-ho! Ding, 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 ding! It's ready! Remove it from the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And don't stir. Let it cool on the counter, 110 degrees. This cooling process is a whole thing in itself. And this will take about 45 minutes to an hour. Now you beat it with a wooden spoon. You're beating in air to create that velvety texture. This part only takes a few minutes with an electric mixer, and it's way easier. 1/2 cup of nuts, spread it in your pan. This will firm up in about 4 hours. Let's see what else we got. Pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Now, on to the coffee mocha fudge. You can have these instead of your morning coffee. It's my routine. In your buttered saucepan, 3 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 1/2 a teaspoon of kosher salt, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1/2 a cup of cream. 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup. On low heat, simmer this up to 236 degrees. Takes a frickin' long time if you stare at it. You can pass so many levels of Candy Crush this way. Just remember to keep the liquid moving. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and let it cool to 110 degrees. What in tarnation is that? It's my spaceship? Bungeldorf? She's probably coming to play charades. Or make us be the charades. Beat it until it loses its gloss and it's thick, and it really loses its gloss. Pour it into your 8x8. Melt 8 to 10 ounces of chocolate in a double boiler. This is the gentle way to melt chocolate. And gently spread it over the chocolate fudge. When you go to cut it in 5 to 6 hours, flip it over. And if you use a warm knife, you might not crack the chocolate like we did. Yoo-hoo! Captain Bread Hooky Pookie! Jessie Boo! Prepare for a game of cosmic hide and seek! Tag, you're it! Gadzooks! This thing's got more twist than a cinnamon roll! Oh, and this blonde fudge is so good! We made this without a candy thermometer, the old-fashioned way, and we'll show you how to check the temperature. 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup milk, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix over medium heat and stir it until it dissolves. Then turn down the heat to low and stir continuously till 236 degrees. It really starts to roil and boil when it gets over 200 degrees, doesn't it? 236 degrees is the softball stage. Drizzle in a little bit in cold water, and that's how thick your fudge is going to come out. Remove it from the heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter, and let it cool to 110 degrees. Well, at least she's consistent. Should we hide? It is hide and seek. Not on my watch. Let's see her chase this. Add your vanilla and beat it. 1 cup of chopped pecans. Or shredded coconut. That would be really fabulous. Yeah. If you do that, let us know. Great googly moogly. Don't just sit there. Leave a comment and boop that bell. Stay tuned.